Hello everyone, my name is Cat Plays, and today we are playing some Don't Press the Button 4. Let's see what turns into here. So, this little man here, okay. Let's see, how do we do this? I'm guessing we don't want to fall. So, what? Okay. I did not get that one tiny bit. Okay, guess we just want to mind. How do I get the point of this? So I don't really know what to do on this. I guess we only mind, or I guess we have to. Oh, we have to find a diamond. Diamond. No. Diamond. Excuse me. I pressed the button. What are we supposed to do? My head was upside down. How was I supposed to survive that? My head was stuck upside down. No, I died. Okay, let's try this again. The first few parts are about that, but then it gets to jumping parts, and that's where it gets hard. So, oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, I did it. Yes, I did it just in the nick of time. Oh, how did that work? Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, we want to get the balls on our side. Let's see. Okay, that's on our side apparently. Don't get how that works, but I guess it just has to touch it. I don't know which team won there. don't fall off the block. I don't know that. I can't see it. Building. Don't fall off the building. That's what it is. So let's try not to fall off the building and we'll just see if we can survive here. Excuse me. Let's see if we can survive. Yay, we did. Well, this seems easy. It's just some parkour. Oh. Didn't know that was invisible. Oh, these ones go invisible. Let's see, where are we now? Oh, back at the button. Okay. Ooh, big button. What is this? Oh, no. Oh, made it across first try. That's pretty lucky. I'm gonna grab these coins while I'm over here. Coins, coins, coins. Yes, I need to go through the door. It won't. Oh, there we go. Now we're inside. Oh my goodness. Are we robbing a bank? There we go. I think once is good enough for robbing that bank. I don't know why. I don't know what the purpose of that was, but oh, I did get more coins. Let's go to shop, see what we can get. Okay, that's a lot. How much is this? Oh man, these stuff are expensive. Why is that so expensive? And I think I gotta get a bit more coins. No, I'd missed the jump. No, I died. Huh. Okay, let's see if I can make it. No. I don't think I can do this one. It's pretty hard. The fin things are always the hardest to do. I clicked the button. Ooh. Pew. No, I died. At least I killed like 2 people. Okay. Okay, let's see. We just gotta wait for other people to die, I guess. Excuse me. And then we'll see what happens. So, let's just see what happens. Oh, here we go. We're back at the button. Oh my goodness. Got pizza for 88. Pizza for 88. Did I die? So, looks like I died. So... Okay, now where are we? Oh, I must have died now. So, let's see. Oh, we're back down. We got to press the button. The button. We're getting abducted by aliens. Oh. Oh, it kills you. I didn't know really what I thought would have happened, but let's see. Oops. This one. It's gonna be this. So is this one, this one, this one. This one. No one finished because didn't make it through. What is this? Oh no. I should probably stay away from that house. I feel like something bad's gonna happen with that house. Something bad's probably gonna happen with that house. Something bad's probably gonna happen with that house. I'm gonna buy some Bloxy Cola. Yeah. Jump, 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 jump. I gotta get there quick. Oh no, not one of these slidey ones. No! These slidey ones are just not what I like to do. No! I just slided off the edge. Oh, I guess I didn't make it. fine. Ooh, what is this? What is in here? And I think that's going to wrap up today's video.